Welcome back. In this section, we're going to discuss about OpenCV. OpenCV is an open source computer vision and machine learning software. OpenCV was built to provide a common infrastructure for computer vision applications and also to accelerate the use of machine perspection in the commercial products. This library has more than 2500 plus optimized algorithms, which includes a comprehensive set of both classic and a state-of-art computer vision and machine learning algorithms, like object detection, classifying the human actions in videos, object tracking, 3D modelings, etc. Currently, OpenCV is now became one of the most popular and widely used library for developing the computer vision applications. Companies like Google, Yahoo, Microsoft, Intel, IBM, etc. are using the OpenCV as the first choice in working on the image processing applications. OpenCV currently supports many languages like C++, Python, Java, MATLAB, JavaScript, etc. And this makes OpenCV is one of the best library for working on the computer vision applications. Now let's look into some basic concepts about the image and processing. Let's talk about the image. The definition of an image is basically the visual representation of something. An image can also be defined as a picture that is created by the combination of vectors or values. Sometimes it is described as a vector graphics or raster graphics. Usually, this image is stored in the bitmaps like 8-bit, 16-bit, 24-bit, etc. And the common formats that was used to store an image is JPEG, JPG, PNG, GIF, and TIFF. Usually, OpenCV supports the JPEG, JPG, and PNG. And the images that we are working in the OpenCV is always the JPEG, JPG, or PNG. Color image is a combination of three channels, typically called RGB. Basically, an image is a combination of three channels: red channel, green channel, and blue channel. Each and every channel displays the information about the respective image. For example, if you look into the image is on the left hand side, that image is basically contains the three different components. One is red, green, and blue. Red actually displays the information about the red region. Green usually displays the information about the green region, and blue will basically gives the information about the blue region. And here you can notice that the image which are basically having the higher values or the values which are in the white color is basically they give the information where the color is. For example, if you consider this image and this portion of the image contains the red color, and similarly this portion of the image contains the blue color, and so on. Typically, if you look into this image, and what we have is a 343 rows and 473 columns, and 3 is basically defines the color of the image, that is RGB, which actually gives the information about respective color. But information perspective, if you see, red, green, or blue basically holds the same level of information. That's the reason usually in image processing, instead of working on three matrices having the same information, we will usually work on only one matrix that is called grayscale image, which means it's actually the average of the three different matrices, which is red plus green plus blue and divided by 3, and that is our grayscale image. And this is only one matrix what we have, which is 343 by 473.